So I've been using both Cursor and GitHub Copilot for my day-to-day cloud work for a while now. And honestly, when I first started, nobody could give me a straight answer on which one to actually use. Everyone either said, just try both, or gave me a list of features that didn't tell me anything useful. So I want to give you the answer I wish I had, based on real Terraform work, real AKS deployments, real DevOps workflows, not benchmarks, not marketing pages. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to start with and when to switch. So Cursor, if you haven't heard of it, it's basically VS Code, but with AI built directly into the editor. And I mean directly, not as a plugin on the side. The whole thing is designed around AI from the ground up. The thing that actually surprised me when I first used it was this. You can chat with your entire project, not just the file you've got open, everything. All your Terraform modules, all your GitHub Actions, everything. So I can literally open my AKS project and ask which module is missing cost allocation tags. And it goes through the whole thing and tells me. Or I can say, add retry logic to all my GitHub Actions workflows, and it does it across every file at once. For large projects, that's genuinely useful. I'm not going to pretend it's magic. It gets things wrong sometimes, but the context awareness is real, and it does save time. Free trial for 2 weeks. After that, it's $20 a month, which, I'll be honest, felt like a lot at first, but we'll come back to whether it's worth it. Copilot is different. It doesn't replace your editor, it just lives inside VS Code as an extension. And that's actually its biggest advantage. If you already use VS Code, you're basically set up in about 3 minutes. Sign in with GitHub and you're good. The way it works day to day is, as you're typing, Copilot watches what you're doing and just suggests the next thing. Gray text appears. You press tab if you want it, you ignore it if you don't. It's subtle. It doesn't interrupt your flow. For writing Terraform, type a comment saying what you need and it'll suggest the resource block. Not always perfectly, but usually close enough that you're editing rather than writing from scratch. There's also Copilot Chat if you want to ask it longer questions. And the free tier, 2,000 completions a month, 50 chat messages, honestly, that covers most use cases for someone just getting started. So I gave both tools the same task. Write a Terraform module for an Azure AKS cluster. CNI networking, Key Vault integration, managed identity. In Copilot, I typed a comment describing what I wanted. It suggested the resource block as I went. Got the basic structure right. Azure ARM _ Kubernetes _ cluster, node pool, identity block. Solid for getting started quickly. In Cursor, I used the chat panel and described the same thing. Because Cursor could see the rest of my project, my existing variables, my naming conventions, how I'd structured other modules, the output actually matched my project's style. I didn't have to go back and rename everything to fit. Both got the boilerplate right. Both got the Key Vault CSI driver config wrong. I want to flag that specifically because I've now tested this with every AI tool and they all miss it. Always check that section yourself before you apply anything. The real difference came down to context. Copilot knew the file I was in. Cursor knew the whole project. For a simple standalone file, honestly, they're about the same. For a large project, Cursor pulls ahead. Let me just run through the direct comparison quickly. Project scope, Cursor sees everything, Copilot sees the current file. That's the fundamental difference. For refactoring, and if it touches multiple files, Cursor is stronger. Single file tasks, both are fine. Cost, Copilot has a free tier that's genuinely useful. Cursor is paid after the trial. That matters if you're just starting out. Setup, Copilot is 3 minutes if you use VS Code. Cursor means installing a new editor, writing boilerplate, and both are good here. This is where Copilot's free tier really earns its keep. And on Key Vault config, I said it before and I'll say it again, neither tool gets this right consistently. Don't trust AI on that one without checking. All right, so which one? If you're just starting out with AI tools for cloud engineering, start with Copilot. It's free. It works in the editor you already have. And for the first year of using AI in your workflow, it'll cover what you need. Move to Cursor when your projects get bigger. When you're working across large Terraform code bases, when you keep wishing the AI could see more than just the current file. That's when the $20 a month starts making sense. Don't pay for both at the same time, genuinely not worth it. Pick one and get good at using it properly. If I had to start over from scratch, I'd start with Copilot, get comfortable with it, then try Cursor's free trial when I felt ready to go deeper. That's my honest take. It's my honest. Links for both tools are in the description. Copilot free tier and Cursor free trial. If this was useful, subscribe. I post new videos Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Practical AI tools and real cloud engineering workflows. No fluff. Next video, Terraform mistakes I see beginners making all the time. If you're learning Terraform right now, worth watching. See you in the next one.